If you're searching for the best antivirus in 2025, this video will help you decide. I've tested 2 of the top options this year, Bitdefender and Surfshark Antivirus, and both deliver excellent protection, but in slightly different ways.
I'll quickly go over their strengths and weaknesses, and at the end, I'll show you where you can grab exclusive discounts. Let's start with Bitdefender. It's one of the most trusted names in cybersecurity, and it's been leading independent antivirus tests for years. Bitdefender provides real-time protection against malware, ransomware, phishing, and other online threats. It uses advanced behavioral detection, which means it can catch new and unknown viruses before they spread.
What really makes Bitdefender stand out is its lightweight performance. Even during full system scans, your computer stays fast and responsive. Depending on the plan, you also get extra features like a firewall, parental controls, ransomware remediation, and even a built-in VPN.
The only downsides are that some advanced features require a higher tier plan, and the interface might feel a bit technical for complete beginners.
Now let's talk about Surfshark Antivirus. It's part of the Surfshark One bundle, which includes a premium VPN, a private search engine, and data breach alerts, all in one subscription. The antivirus itself runs real-time protection, blocks malicious websites, and updates its threat database several times a day. It's incredibly simple to use, with a clean interface and almost no pop-ups or interruptions.
Performance-wise, Surfshark Antivirus is fast and efficient. It's great for users who want an all-in-one privacy and security package. So, which one should you choose? If you want a powerful traditional antivirus with a long track record, go with Bitdefender.
But if you prefer a modern, all-in-one solution that combines antivirus and VPN in one affordable plan, Surfshark Antivirus is a fantastic alternative.
And here's the good news. You don't have to pay full price for either of them. You can find exclusive discounts for both Bitdefender and Surfshark Antivirus right now at TechShieldReviews.com, a trusted source for verified cybersecurity deals.
I've also left the direct link in the pinned comment. Just click it, and the discount will be applied automatically at checkout.
So those are my top picks for the best antivirus in 2025. Both are excellent. It just depends on what kind of protection you're looking for. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, leave a comment with your favorite antivirus, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and security deals.